In today's video, we are going to show you on how you can connect to a remote server in Visual Studio Code, Remote SSH development in VS Code. So basically, the Visual Studio Remote SSH extension allows us to open a remote folder on any remote machine, virtual machine, or container with a running SSH server and take full advantage of the VS Code's feature set. Basically, once connected to a server, we can interact with files and folders anywhere on the remote file system. No source code needed to be on your local machine. To gain these benefits, since the extension runs commands and other extensions directly on the remote machine. Basically, the extension will install VS Code server on the remote OS. The server is independent for or of any existing VS Code installation on the remote OS. Basically, it goes something like this, where your local OS or the VS Code will send through the SSH tunnel to our remote machine, which will run independently. Now, to get started, these are the system requirements in order to run a open SSH compatible SSH client. We must have all of this compatible with our system. From there, let's start with the installation. We want to install the OpenSSH compatible SSH client. Basically, you can just click on this specific button right here, and inside you then want to click on the install the OpenSSH client. From there, we then have to, of course, get the Visual Studio Code and then install the remote SSH extension from there. Now for the SSH host setup, if you do not have an SSH host setup yet, you want to follow directions through each of the OS right here. We have Linux, Windows 10, Mac OS, or VM for Azure. In here, we have additional system or additional guides instruction in order to set it up. But from there, to connect it to the remote host, the first thing that we want to do is to verify that you can connect to the SSH server host by running the following command from the terminal or PowerShell window, replacing user at hostname as appropriate. So you can just type terminal on your Windows right here, and from there you then want to simply replace user at hostname as appropriate. From there, in the VS Code, you want to select the remote SSH connect to host from the command palette. We have F1 or Control-Shift-P, and then we have to use the same user at hostname as in step 1. Basically, it goes something like this inside the VS Studio Code. Now, if the VS Studio cannot automatically detect the type of server you are trying to connect to, you will be asked to then select and then type manually. In here, you have to navigate through the operating systems. We have Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. After a moment, VS Code will now connect to the HS server and set itself up. VS Code will now keep you up to date using a progress notification, and you can see a detailed login in the remote SSH output channel. From there, after being connected, you will be greeted into the empty window. You can always refer to the status bar to see which host you are connected to. From there, we can now open up our folder or workspace on the remote machine using files, open workspace, just as you would locally. Basically, it goes something like this. So those are the ways for us to simply connect to a remote server in Visual Studio Code, referring to the official instruction on the documentation of Visual Studio Code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.